Hello from a beautiful Sunday and welcome to this video. Let me just give you guys a little bit of context. So the other day I was watching Black Mirror, the exact same episode that you see on my screen, so I'll be right back. So in this episode, there was an app that is able to clone you by just collecting your data that you leave on social media, like any traces. What I mean by traces, like it could be a tweet, it could be a post on Instagram that you shared, it could be a post on Facebook and stuff, all social media included. And not only the data that comes from you actually, it also including the data that you're tagged in. For example, your best friend shared a photo on Instagram that you're tagged in. So it's also collecting this data to create this AI model to mimic someone. So yeah, it's all about mimicking someone. It's all about like behaving like someone else. And when I was watching this movie, like I was shocked because like everything we're like bro, like everything we were just watching on in movies like is just becoming real. And so fucking exciting. The more you watch this kind of movies, the more you're gonna freak out because these movies are fucking prescient. You know what I mean? Like you're watching a movie about AI, it looks so unbelievable, and 1 year after, 1 year passes and you're just gonna see the exact same thing that is happening in the movie that you watched the 1 year ago, and it's amazing. So in this episode, be right back. I'm not gonna give you guys some spoilers, but there's a clone of someone, uh like this woman here, this lady lost her husband, and there's a company that is like provide some services to create clones of like loved ones. The clones are for everyone actually, not only loved ones. You can easily create anyone's clones. Anyway, so that episode actually reminds me of one of my projects. Also, this project right over here, where you can scrape the old data from Twitter. Let me just also open this up. And boom, that's the point where the magic happens. So you can scrape the old Twitter data, all tweets from your Twitter, from like Elon Musk's Twitter, Elon Musk profile, from anyone's profile. And it also works for LinkedIn. It's just coming soon, but it's fake. It's not fake actually. I also created for LinkedIn posts, where you can also scrape the LinkedIn posts. So I was just like, okay, this is the exact same shit they're just showing us in the episode. So I was just so hyped about it. Yeah, I will continue with development. Actually, I will be adding some new social medias. Like right now we have like only LinkedIn and Twitter, which is also great sources to collect some data about someone. But I will be also adding WhatsApp, or like kind of like texting apps, because these are the places where you like share almost everything about you. If you're like talking with your best friend, man, you're cooked, you're done. If I was able to reach that chat, you're done. I will be like knowing everything about you from head to toe, like everything. So anyway, so that's why right now I'm just trying to create a new section for this app, uh, where I will be adding this section to like main UI. And what actually does do is right now I'm just trying to combine Playwright with uh, WhatsApp web interface. Here as you can see, I'm just giving the phone number, and it was supposedly fetching some data, but right now it's not working. I will make it functional, and yeah, bro, we need to be prepared. We are the ones who are just creating these AI models, these AI programs, these AI apps. But what are we watching in the movies are just scary. But we need to be prepared. We're the ones, like I said, we are the creators. So we must be prepared for the like repercussions. You know what I mean? Because these repercussions can be brutal for everyone. Yeah. See you next one. Bye bye.